Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, July 3rd. So, what do we have going on today? First of all, it's a shorter trading day. We're going to talk about that in a second, but let's look at the news that's coming out today at 9:45. Final manufacturing PMI. PMI is Purchasing Managers Index. Okay, so this is all the guys who buy stuff for big companies. This is what they're reflecting in this report. 10 a.m., we have ISM Manufacturing PMI, ISM Manufacturing Prices, Construction Spending, and we have the words total vehicle sales all day long, so they'll release that at some point. So really not a big major day, but there is a red item, and it's at 10 a.m., so we want to be aware of that. Now, let's talk about the shortened day. So first of all, I always get this question, where do you look? So for futures, it's the CME, which is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange Group. So I just Googled CME, and then this first CME group comes up. I'm going to click on that, and we're going to go to markets. And let's see if we can find holiday. Looking for holiday schedule, no references, holiday calendar right there. Click on that. And then it'll give you all the different holidays that there are. Independence Day, July 3 through 5. All right, so let's see what that actually means. And here is your the product name, type of futures. Actually, we are interested in just the ES. So let's see if we can find the ES. ES, mini S&P 500. Trade date Monday, the 3rd of July, closes at 12:15. This is Central Time, so 1:15 Eastern Time, and it reopens as normal at 5 p.m. So it closes so it's a short day. On the 4th, you'll see that there's no trade, absolutely no trade on the 4th. On the 5th. On the 5th, we start normal trading hours. So you can see here, trade date, Wednesday, 5th. What is this for? Oh, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. So there's no trade. No trade. The Globex will be open for part of the session. Now, a lot of people say, oh, I'm going to trade anyway. You know what? I'm not trading today. And the reason why I'm not trading today is because volumes will be extremely low. The big boys are not playing in the market. They're on vacation. I find that the shorter days actually are very, very disruptive for the entire rest of the week. In fact, when you have a partial week, it's very difficult to trade because volumes are messed up. It's just a mess. I choose not to trade. So I am not trading today. However, we will go ahead and look at some charts. Here we're looking at the daily chart, as you can see, and we're still possibly making this M pattern. We came up to the double top, and it did stop and retrace slightly, but it was still very, very strong. And we could still have this pattern where we turn over and come down. We'll have to wait and see. Or it's going to be another breakout and a move to the upside. That's very plausible. What could happen today? Today's a shorter day, Monday. I have no idea. I'm not even going to make a prediction because holiday days are so unpredictable because volume can be nothing. It could be, it's very difficult to predict a holiday or a pre-holiday shortened trading day. Let's take a look at the inventory from Friday. Now, we had a big day up on Friday, and inventory was actually down. So, again, we get divergence here. That's not good. This, to me, is very problematic in that we've had multiple days in a row now where we've had declining inventory. And that's as price gets more and more expensive, more and more people are taking profits. And there's not as much new money coming into the market. So that's kind of concerning. This is this is this will be the third day of divergence where price went up and inventory went down. This is concerning. We could definitely be topping out here. We'll have to wait and see. Looking at the intraday overnight action, very narrow range, about 9 points, 10 points or so. Where do we have resistance? Well, we have resistance on the top side at 44.97, right around the round number of 4,500. It was interesting that way they were unable to get through the 4,500 on Friday, just wouldn't do it. The next level of confluence is about quite a bit higher at 45.23. And then a third level would be 45.41. On the downside, there's a lot more support closer by 44.70. There's a big glob of stuff here around 44.34. And I would actually say this intermediate area here around the 44.50 area is also some support. Stock Trader's Almanac, interestingly for today, is one of the highest percentages I've seen, 85.7. So 85.7, very high historical probability the market will be up today in its shortened session. I am not trading. Hope you guys, I wish you luck if you are trading, but I would be extraordinarily careful because the markets will be very, very thin. And by thin, I mean low volume. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you on Wednesday. There will be no morning briefing since the market is closed on Tuesday, July 4th for Independence Day. Have a great day. Remember to subscribe and like and comment. Have a great day. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.